Today involving a hip replacement. The guys with the answers, of course, when it comes to our legal questions of the day. Our attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, as always, it's my pleasure to see you today.
Well, ours as well.
All right, let's get to the question. We've got an issue involving a hip transplant and some problems with it. Bill in Trucksville says, I had a hip replacement last year and have been having problems ever since. I saw that there have been problems with some hip replacements. What do I need to do to see if I have a case? What can Bill in Trucksville do?
Well, Bill, the first thing that you're going to need to do is make sure that you find out exactly what type of product it was, who was the manufacturer of that particular product, because there are some cases going on right now, some class actions involving defective hips. So that's the first step that you want to take. You want to get a copy of your medical records, and if that product is not identified in your medical records, then you're going to need to go to the doctor who did the procedure and find out that particular piece of information, because that's really the first step in making a determination as to whether you have a potential product liability case against the manufacturer of that hip replacement or hip implant.
What Ed's talking about is with all these implant cases, there's usually a card, an identification card, which identifies the actual implant. So
it'll have a serial number.
It does,
yeah.
And it should be right in your medical records. Then once we get that, there's certain, like you said, each one has different problems. You're seeing metal on metal, just general failures in them. So once we know that, we could take a look at it and make a determination. Does your injuries and the problems you're having fit with the type of implant you have, and then we can make a decision if the case goes forward.
And I know when it comes to cases like this, you guys do a free initial consultation, and really if it's not worth the time of the client, you just say you can't do it. You can't do anything.
Yeah. Right, and again, we always encourage everybody to pick up the phone, make the call, because again, there's statute of limitation issues, time issues. You don't want to rest on your rights because the courts frown upon that. So pick up the phone, get the free consultation, and it's either yay or nay, and you're on your way.
Yeah, and with these hip replacements and some of these other drug cases, I mean, there's a criteria, and if you meet the criteria, then you're going to be in that particular class. And really, it's a matter of what the damages are when you look at the product. So, and we could sift through them pretty quickly and let you know if you have a case or don't have a case.
All right, good deal. Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, gentlemen. We'll see you tomorrow.
You got it.
All right, PAHomepage.com or the hotline. Best places for you to submit a question to get right here on The Law and You.